family, here Ivan in one of the Boost Mobile stores, bringing you a great unboxing of one of our newest phones in Boost Mobile, made by Boost Mobile. It's the new Celero 5G. I'm going to be sharing my thoughts. We're going to be opening the phone. We're going to show you how it looks, how it feels, and definitely talk about the specs, how it works. And this one just came out, so definitely it is a great opportunity for you guys to get this phone. It is only $79.99 whenever you come in with a new activation, or you can definitely get it free by switching to Boost Mobile. You will not see this phone anywhere else but in Boost Mobile, and definitely this phone, it has the best specs. Have I said that this is a 5G? Well, this is a 5G phone that you can get for $79. It's an awesome deal. I just think this is a must buy if you get Boost Mobile. Well, not to make it longer, we're gonna go ahead and open the phone. Okay, let's go ahead and open this box up. I don't want to tear it apart. Okay, here we go. Whoa. Okay. Well, this is what comes in the box. This is the cable we have right here. We have the adapter. This is a 15-watt adapter. It is a rapid charger. Okay, this is the phone right here. We're gonna go ahead and take away the box. Well, let me go ahead and take this packaging off. I'm gonna go ahead and get it off the camera just real quick, so that way I can get it off. And here it is how it looks on the back. It's shiny. It's kind of like a plastic. No, it's actually, yeah, it's kind of like a plastic on the back. It does come with the 3 cameras right there. It is definitely super cool. It does come with a 16 megapixel camera. And just to turn on the phone, let's go ahead and turn it on for the first time. Let's go ahead and press the power button right here. Let's do this. Okay, well, there we go. This is a Celero 5G Boost Mobile first 5G phone built by Boost Mobile. Boost Mobile actually asked for all the specs for this device. And while the phone turns on, I'm going to go ahead and talk a little bit about it. The phone, look how cool, huh? The phone, it does have a 6.5-inch screen. It does come with a 16 megapixel camera. Talk time is 45 hours. Storage in the phone, it is 64 gigabytes. It does come with Android 11 pre-installed in the phone. Definitely very, very nice phone. We're going to go ahead and start here. And, it says connect to the network. We're just going to skip this. And we're going to set up online, because we're not going to be activating this phone. It just says with a moment, and then it's the date right there. It is not current, obviously, because we're going to skip this. And I definitely just want to go in. Wow, that's how it looks. Let's see, location. Okay, well, that's how the phone looks. That's how it turns on. And definitely a must have if you are thinking on switching to Boost Mobile and you're not sure what phone to get, and you're not liking the Motorola phones or the Samsung phones, or just you just want a 5G phone. Well, this Celero 5G, it is the phone to get. Definitely very, very bright right there. That's awesome right there. I'm sorry about the glare. I have a light going on on the ceiling. But just to talk about the phone here, the phone does come with a 4,000 milliampere battery. It does have 45 hours of talk time, which is a day and a half, a little bit more than that. It does come with 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of ROM. That means that the RAM, it's actually to use more applications at the same time, and the ROM is the internal memory that the phone has. The phone definitely looks super cool. The button right here is indented, so I kind of like that. SIM tray is on this side. Volumes are right here. I mean, this phone is very, the feel of it is just very nice. It does come with the MediaTek processor, okay? Android 11 pre-installed. Let me turn the phone real quick here, okay? Let's go ahead and talk about the camera now. The camera, it is a 16 megapixel, 5 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth, triple rear camera. The camera on the front, I'm gonna go ahead, which is this one right here. That one, it is an 8 megapixel camera. The display is a 6.5 inch screen from here to here. And then dimensions on the phone are 6.56 by 3 by 0.33. It does weight, 7.15 ounces, which, the phone, I mean, it is not light, but it's not heavy. I think it has the right weight to it. I really like how it feels. Connectivity, obviously it does have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1. The connector here, it is a Type-C. And it does come with an audio jack. I mean, a lot of phones now don't come with audio jack. So, well, this is the Celero 5G. What do you think, guys? Leave me your comments. Go ahead and leave me a thumbs up if you like this phone or if you like this review. Definitely, you will help the channel so much. I'll be bringing more, reviews of all the new phones that Boost Mobile will have to offer, together with the promotions that they have. Again, just to let you know the promotions that Boost Mobile have. New activation price, it is $79.99. For all of our Boost Mobile customers, we'll definitely love them. We're definitely gonna let them have for $79.99 as well. And for those customers that are willing to switch, from any other carrier, it's gonna be free. So it is a great device to have. It is 5G capable already, so it is a great option for you to have. It's super bright, I mean, it's super cool. It does have all the functions, that you will want on an Android. Definitely it is a must have. I don't know what you guys are waiting for to switch to Boost Mobile, get a Celero 5G for free, or even get a new line with Boost Mobile and get it for $79.99 5G phone. Definitely it is a phone to have.